Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see how to get all invoices using Fusion REST API and in Postman. So for that you first need to come on Google and search AP Invoice REST API Fusion. You can search here and then click on the first link, whatever you get. This is the Oracle documentation link, and from here you can see all related to invoices REST APIs are here. So we are going to use this get all invoices API. So in that you can find we have this much query parameter as well, and what we will get in the response. You find all the things here, and for using this REST API you need your Fusion base URL. So here this is my Fusion base URL. You have to copy this base URL like this, and after that you have to concat with this REST API like this, so it become your full API. You can use this API here, like here you can paste it. This is the our all full REST API. We can use this, and also we need to provide authentication, and in authentication you have to provide basic auth. You have to select auth type as basic auth, and you have to provide your Fusion user and the password of the user. So by this you can use this REST API. So as you see, everything is completed here. So now you have, and also you have to select here get method, because you can find here this API method is get. So for getting all the invoices we need to use get method. So that's why I selected get method here, and then you have to click on send. See, after that we are getting the all invoices data, and also the status of this API is okay, and we are having all the items, and inside item we are having all the invoices that is in JSON format. So you can see all the things, and here some more fields are there, that is count and has more, limit, offset. So count is like by default, if we will not provide any limit, so it will return us a 25 record only, but we can provide in limit up to 499 count. So you can get that much of data at one single call. And this is the hash more. In this we are getting true, that means we are having more invoices. Like whenever we are getting the invoices, 25 invoice, then after 25 invoice another 25 invoice, like this we are calling the API, and this field indicate that there is more invoice data in our Fusion application. And if in any case we need to get all the invoices, so in that case we are checking with the help of this field. Like if there will be more invoice, then we will hit again this API, otherwise we will not going to hit. And also we can provide in parameter, like here you can see we are having query parameters. We can pass this in query parameter. So let's go and check one by one that as well. So first I'm going to provide limit. In limit, at this time I will pass 100. So now you can see what we will get. See, we get the data, and here in count you can see we are having 100, because this API return 100 record, that's why we get count 100. And here we pass the limit as 100, so we get the whatever the top of the 100 record are there. And now as you see the second offset value, this is we pass when we want to skip that much record. As our first iteration we get 100 record, so now if we want to skip this first 100 and request for next 100 record, so for that purpose we need to pass offset value. So because we get 100 record, so I pass 100 at this time also. So now you can check, see our data is the different now, and we get another 100 record, and at this time offset is also 100, and there is more data available in this, so that's why we are getting has more value as true. And now we will go and check the query parameter. As you see I already provided one query parameter, and in this you can check here how we are passing the query parameter. Like here it's mentioned that we are passing query, and inside query we are passing the expression 1, expression 2, whatever we want to. And in this expression what we can filter, this is the field we can provide in the expression. So here I provided invoice number, this is the one expression. If we want to pass any other, so we need to pass the semicolon and then other expression as well. So let's go and see invoice number, this invoice number data. For this you can pass limit and offset as well, but in this case we will get only one value because this invoice is only one. But let's go and check this with all the values. Here you can see we get the data of that, and we are having only one data, and has more is false because this invoice number is only one, that's why we get the has more 1, and limit is default 25 because this is the get all invoice API, that's why the default of limit is 25. So this is how we are using REST API. And if you want that I have to make video on this in integration, I have to implement integration for this, then please comment in comment section. I will try to make that video as soon as possible. And please like, share and subscribe my channel as well. And thank you for the watching this video. Bye bye.